If you live with a culture of open house events, you're bound to entertain family and guests from time to time. While these get-togethers are typically fun and exciting times with your loved ones, they can also be hard to plan without the right furniture. Since most of these group activities take place in the dining room, it's crucial to find the right kind of dining table to accommodate everyone. The problem of seating becomes even more evident when you have a small home. The solution in this case is finding a dining table for small spaces. This is where the round dining table design becomes elementary to hosting guests. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden dining table ideas and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Since most homes are multi-generational, the chances of you housing both children and the elderly are fairly high. One thing children and the elderly have in common is that they injure themselves quite easily and require the home to be proofed for their safety. An easy way to avoid this altogether is with a round dining table. A round dining table is perfect for elder and child-friendly homes as they do not come with edges. The smooth circumference of a round table prevents injury upon impact. What's more, the rounded edges also prevent clothes and other items from snagging at the sides, making it a great piece of furniture to have. Not every home might have the luxury of free space for a big dining table. In most cases, you might have to make do with a dining table for small spaces that may or may not be your ideal choice. However, a small round dining table can be found in a wide variety of styles and designs to give your space a more curated look. The reason why a round table is the best suited dining table for small spaces is due to its lack of edges/corners. You can easily move them around into smaller areas without much difficulty. What's more, you can pair your small round dining table with simple stools or chairs that can easily be tucked away under the table. This further reduces the amount of space the whole unit takes up, making them a great space-saving dining table. Have you ever been seated at the ends of a large table only to struggle to listen to the conversation taking place at the other end? This is a common issue with longer tables and larger groups, since conversations become siloed and scattered. And if you're hosting guests, this becomes even more of an issue, since you wouldn't want them to feel left out based on their placement. With a round dining table, you can rest assured that every member of the party is in on the conversation. The circular design keeps everyone within earshot of each other and also allows a direct line of sight to people on the other side. So if you want to avoid isolating your guests during a get-together, a round table is the way to go. Don't you just hate it when there's a lovely spread in front of you but you cannot reach it without asking several people to pass you the dish? With a small round dining table, you won't have to face this issue any longer. A simple round dining table for four is probably one of the more commonly used types of round tables, and for good reason. It ensures that your seat is equidistant from everything on the table, making it easy to access. But what if you require a larger table that can seat more people? Worry not, as this still won't affect your access to items on the table. You can simply use a turntable or a lazy Susan to rotate dishes from one spot to another. The same way a round dining table makes things more accessible and convenient, it also makes it easier for people to return to their seats. Without the problem of corner edges to squeeze past, a round dining table is a lot easier to move around. And if you're someone who prefers a more formal look to your dining room, a round dining table is the way to go. Since these tables make the best use of space in compact homes, you can avoid the problem of crowding or bumping into each other while taking your seat. However, also bear in mind that you will need to maintain some space between the table placement and wall if it is kept against one. This is to ensure that you have enough space to move your chair back to seat yourself if the table is not in the center of the room. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden dining table ideas and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.